everyone, and welcome to this history video focusing on the dissolution of the monasteries between 1535 and 1540. Firstly, the causes of the dissolution. In 1509 there were 850 monasteries, and the amount of land that the church owned equalled a third of England. This meant that the church were extremely wealthy and so powerful. This meant that the church was a huge threat to the crown. There was also a lot of corruption throughout the church, such as non-residency, pluralism, nepotism, and this all meant that there was a general dissatisfaction with the church. Thomas Cromwell, who was Henry's new vice-regent, had worked under Wolsey when he dissolved 20 monasteries, so he knew how to do it and he knew how financially effective it could be. This meant that Cromwell often found corruptions as an excuse to dissolve monasteries, as he knew that the crown wanted and needed the money. So the process of how monasteries were dissolved. In 1535, these two guys called Lay and Leighton visited all the church property in England, and this led to the Valor Ecclesiasticus, which was a very detailed record of all property owned by the church and the finances of each property. In 1535, an act was passed by Parliament to dissolve small monasteries, which was monasteries that had less than £200, and all of this land went to the crown. In 1538, Henry started having the larger monasteries dissolved, despite having no Act of Parliament to do so. Many monasteries surrendered as they knew they would be executed as traitors if they tried to fight back. This all meant that over 800 monasteries were dissolved in less than 5 years with barely any opposition, which is quite a big achievement considering the amount of opposition Henry VII faced during his reign.